This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Ikea dropped some low-key genius storage pieces in 2026 and somehow no one is talking about them. So today I'm breaking down the top 10 Ikea storage gems for 2026, the kind that solve everyday chaos, all while looking really good doing it. I'm On, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're kicking things off with a release from the famous TROFAST collection, and this new storage combo is just such a gem. And if you know TROFAST, you know it's a whole era of organization. This version now comes with plenty of boxes and endless ways to arrange them, so you can customize it however you need. Use it as a room divider, line it up against a wall for garage or office storage, or just keep it in a kid's room or playroom to keep everything easy to grab and easy to put away. It's flexible, practical, and honestly, one of the most satisfying storage pieces IKEA has dropped in 2026. Next up is a surprisingly satisfying piece, and that is the UTRUSTA Under-sink organizer. Seriously, if your cabinet under the sink has been a chaotic black hole, this thing is just like a breath of fresh air. It fits right around plumbing, gives you dedicated compartments and pull-out trays, and suddenly everything has a place. It's one of those IKEA solutions that feels like a magic. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, or anywhere you need hidden but accessible storage. Now this next storage gem I have for you is just plain genius, and that is the PAX Add-on and unit that just dropped this month. And let's be honest, this upgrade to the PAX wardrobe system is a serious closet game changer. It lets you expand any PAX system. Think of it as the finishing touch piece that helps you build out a wardrobe that actually works for how you live. Whether you're maximizing a bedroom closet, walk-in, or hallway storage, this makes your PAX setup feel custom built and maximizes the vertical space. It's simple, stylish, and just a smart way to rethink storage in your home. Loving it. Now, speaking of wardrobes, the next IKEA gem I have for you is the AURDAL Wardrobe combination. Now, this one is basically a customizable built-in wardrobe without the built-in price tag. It actually comes in a load of different dimensions and combos, so whether you've got a tiny closet nook or a full bedroom wall to fill, there is a setup that will fit your space and style for sure. What makes it so smart is actually how flexible it is. It has adjustable shelves, drawers, and an extendable rod that lets you tailor the hanging space exactly to what you need. It's like IKEA took your messy wardrobe dreams and just gave them an organized, stylish reality. It's functional, sleek, and way more custom than most IKEA wardrobes, so this one is definitely a 2026 storage standout. Now, before moving on to our next IKEA storage gem for 2026, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Now, if you're running any kind of business or side hustle, Squarespace has some amazing tools that will make your life easier. First off, their email campaigns feature is built right into the platform, so you can create beautiful branded emails that match your website perfectly. No need for separate tools or complicated integrations, it's just all in one place. Not to mention their invoicing feature, which is just such a lifesaver. You can create professional invoices, track payments, manage clients, and even schedule recurring invoices for ongoing projects. Everything stays organized in one dashboard. And the part I love the most is that Squarespace has actually this incredible custom merch feature where you can design and sell your own branded products without worrying about inventory or shipping. They handle all of that for you. It's just such an easy way to sell your branded products or custom merch online. So if you want to streamline your business and look professional while doing it, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of our website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our IKEA storage gems. The next IKEA storage gem for 2026 on my list is this drawer unit on casters. Now this one is basically IKEA's budget take on the famous Alex drawers, and honestly, it's a total win. This one comes for half the price of the Alex and for that exact same look. These sleek drawers glide easily and move with you thanks to the casters. It's perfect for under a desk, in a craft room, or wherever you need organized storage without spending big. Such a satisfying little storage hack for 2026. Now next up is the SUNDSÖ Cabinet, and this one is just sneaky versatile. This one comes in 3 colors, off-white, black and blue, and has just such a roomy interior. It's perfect for stashing everything from extra blankets and baskets to outdoor gear, towels, or even plants. Because it's designed for both indoors and outdoor use, you can put it in your hallway, patio, balcony, or garage. Honestly, everywhere you need smart storage that still looks good. It's affordable, functional, and not your average basic cabinet. This is one of those hidden gems that makes organizing feel effortless. Now another clever storage IKEA find I'm obsessed with this year is the PURRPINGLA storage case. This one is just seriously so practical. It's lightweight, soft-sided, and looks way nicer than your typical storage bins, so you'll actually want to use it everywhere. It even comes in options you can slide under the bed, making it perfect for storing off-season clothes, extra linens, or anything you want out of sight but easy to grab. Clean design, great price, and such a smart everyday storage solution. Another clever piece from that same collection is this laundry bag with a stand. The stand actually keeps the bag upright and easy to use, so you're not wrestling with a floppy sack on a laundry day, and the neutral beige textile keeps it looking tidy in any room. Plus, it's so slim and fits even the smallest laundry rooms. Functional, affordable, and actually nice to look at, perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or laundry areas where you want organization without sacrificing the style. Now, speaking of stylish organization, one of my favorite storage finds from IKEA in 2026 is the new size they released from the MOSSJÖN Cabinet. Now, this one instantly caught my eye because it's like storage and decor in one. It's just perfect for stashing perfumes, skincare, jewelry, or other bedroom essentials. The ribbed glass door lets you display things you actually want to look at without visual clutter, and it's the perfect mix of practical storage and design-forward style that makes organizing feel intentional, not just hidden away. And we're finishing off with our IKEA storage gems for 2026 with the beautiful GJÄTTA storage box, which now comes in this beautiful velvety deep green color. And wow, this one is just so good. It's the kind of storage box that doesn't just disappear in this space, it just elevates it. The rich velvet-like finish makes it feel way more luxe than its price, and the lid keeps everything neatly tucked away. It's perfect for shelves, closet, fits perfectly in the calyx, comes in 2 sizes, and it's honestly one of those pieces that makes organization look intentional and stylish, not just super functional. And that's a wrap for today. Did you like my 2026 storage gem list? If you did, let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Also, as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. I post Ikea content every single Thursday, so you'd really like to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And now let's head on to Mars. Hey buddy. Hey. You're super comfy here. You're so comfy here. Look at him. I just start filming and he just hops on this chair. This is his chair. And look at this background, guys. Look at this background. Wow, Mars. You look like a designer in a chair. And just right over here is our Miss Zara. Hi, Zara. Hi, Zara. You're just such a cuddly little baby. You're just such a cuddly little baby. Oh. Oh. Zara is still eating everything she finds. So we always keep an extra eye on her. That's why she never is here when I film. But now she was so sleepy and I decided to let her stay. Zara, you're the best girl. You're the best little girl. Right, Mars? But you're the bestest. Bye, guys. Bye.